A while ago we click and choose organic vegetables category. So in step 6, choose an item and add to cart. We are now already see the list of items in organic vegetables category. The next thing to do, is choose an item. In this example, I will choose an item, which is spinach 1/4 kilogram. In order to purchase spinach 1/4 kilogram, I'll have to add it to cart first. Click spinach 1/4 kilogram. After clicking it, at the right side, you will see the price, quantity, and add to cart button. The price of spinach is 65 pesos with tax included. In the quantity part, you may also change the value depending on your desired quantity. By just clicking plus icon, which means add, or minus icon, which means subtract. But in this example, I want 2 pieces of spinach. So I click the plus icon to make it 2 pieces of spinach. Just in case you don't want more than 1 piece of spinach, click minus icon to subtract. Once you're done and satisfied to your quantity, you may now click Add to Cart button. After clicking Add to Cart button, the screen will display that your product successfully added to your shopping cart.